How to work at Google, requirements and where to apply. Imagine waking up every day to work at one of the most iconic tech companies in the world. Free gourmet meals, creative freedom, global impact. Sounds like a dream? For many, working at Google is the ultimate career goal. But how do you get in? What are the actual requirements? And where do you even apply? Let's break down exactly how to land a job at Google, from the qualifications you need to the places where you can apply. Getting hired by Google isn't just about having a degree. It's about solving problems, thinking creatively, and showing that you can thrive in a fast-paced, ever-changing environment. So let's start with the big question. What does Google look for in candidates? Strong problem-solving skills, technical expertise, especially for engineering and data roles, communication and collaboration, adaptability and growth mindset, passion for innovation and impact. If you're applying for a technical role like software engineering, you'll need a strong foundation in data structures, algorithms, and coding. But even for non-technical roles like marketing, design, HR, or operations, Google still values analytical thinking and creativity. Do you need a degree? Not always. Google has publicly said that a college degree is not a requirement for many roles. What matters more is your skills, experience, and how you demonstrate them. That said, for some positions, especially in engineering or research, a degree in computer science, mathematics, business, or a related field can give you an edge. But don't let that stop you. Many Googlers come from non-traditional backgrounds, bootcamps, or self-taught paths. What counts is what you can do, not just where you went. What roles are available? Google hires for hundreds of different roles in areas like software engineering, product management, UX, UI design, data science and machine learning, marketing and communications, sales and business development, finance and legal, it's support and security. Whether you're a coder, a designer, or a storyteller, there's a space for your talent. How do you apply? You can apply directly on Google's official job site, careers.google.com. There, you'll find detailed listings for every open role, filtered by location, department, or experience level. To boost your chances, tailor your resume to each job. Use clear, quantifiable results in your achievements. Highlight problem solving and leadership. Include keywords from the job description, and if possible, get a referral from someone who already works at Google. What's the interview process like? Google is known for its rigorous, multi-stage hiring process. Here's what to expect. 1. Online application. Submit your resume and cover letter. 2. Phone screening, usually with a recruiter, then a technical or role-specific screen. 3. Virtual or on-site interviews. Multiple rounds, often including hypothetical scenarios, problem-solving tasks, and behavioral questions. 4. Hiring committee review. A group of Googlers evaluates your overall profile. 5. Final decision and offer. For technical roles, you'll likely do coding challenges on a whiteboard or online platform. For others, expect to discuss past projects, thought processes, and cultural fit. How can you prepare? Practice is everything. Use platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, or Interviewing.io. Rehearse the STAR method answers for behavioral questions. Study Google's core values and recent innovations. Research your target role and department. Practice explaining your ideas clearly and confidently. Final tips: working at Google isn't just about being smart. It's about how you think, how you work with others, and how you solve real-world problems. So focus on what you bring to the table. Whether you're a self-taught coder or a marketing whiz with creative vision, there's a path into Google if you're prepared and persistent. Got questions or dreaming of applying? Drop a comment below and hit that like button if you're one step closer to landing your dream job at Google.